let's talk about capabilities. So capabilities is meant to be a tool for your dispatchers and your planners to make decisions about what they should dispatch. So capabilities are stuff like, does it have four-wheel drive? Does it have the ability, to be dispatched for, electrical equipment, etc. And so within there, we have this capabilities portal. And capabilities, you define what capabilities you care about, and you can assign that capability to the asset type. So like all vehicles have driving, so you'd assign driving to the asset type, and then every time you would make a model that has that asset type, it would inherit that capability. So if we look at model capabilities, they all inherited driving from their vehicle parent. A little complicated, but you can also just add things directly to your asset. So we have our asset down here. Let's just assign something to the asset. Let's add four-wheel drive to our Ford truck. All right. So now we're just assigning the capability of four-wheel drive to our Ford truck. Some things have expiration dates. We'll just ignore that for now. We're going to assign that capability, and so now I can look in FTK. Let's filter. Let's take a look at what my Ford truck has. So now it has driving and it has the four-wheel drive capability. Cool. And where this comes into play is if I want to dispatch something. Let's dispatch. And so I can start from dispatch template if I'm constantly doing the same types of dispatch. And I have this electrical maintenance dispatch where it's asking for users who have a CDL or an access badge, and it's asking for four-wheel drive. So let's go back. Let's create a dispatch using this template, and let's request it for admin, which is me. Start it right now. Let's end it tomorrow. And I have these requirements that are now in here, and I can edit it. So I don't need the towing package for this, so we'll let that go. And I don't need these. And let's also just I really want a Ford truck for this, so let's yeah. So I have this dispatch requests, and as the dispatcher, I can create a dispatch, continue, and now I have these things that have been requested of me, and I can filter on that. So I know that I want this capability of four-wheel drive, and it'll auto-filter for me. So now I know I can select this Ford truck, add it to the dispatch, and then I have some capabilities that were asked for. So let's go CDL. Guy needs a CDL. Let's copy that in. Search. Okay. I'm going to add that user to the dispatch because now that's the driver. And let's also add, some other users. Just add generic user to the dispatch also. So now I have my two users. I have my vehicle selected. I have my time planned. And so now I will create the dispatch. And that's how this tool helps you make decisions.